Today, I'm going to show you how to find leads in Apollo.io. If you're looking to grow your business or expand your outreach, Apollo is a powerful tool that helps you discover and connect with potential clients or contacts based on specific criteria you set. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to start by opening a new browser tab. In the address bar, type in Apollo.io and hit enter. This will direct you straight to the Apollo website. Once you're there, look toward the top right part of your screen where you'll see a login button. Go ahead and click on it to access your account. After entering your credentials and logging in, you'll be taken to the Apollo dashboard, which is your central hub for all lead generation activities. Now that you're in the Apollo dashboard, it's time to start finding those leads. Direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll find the navigation menu. This is where all your tools and options are organized. Look for a section labeled Prospect and Enrich and click on it. When you do, a drop-down menu will appear offering you different options. Here you can choose what type of leads you're searching for, either people or companies. For this tutorial, we'll focus on finding people, so go ahead and click on People. Once you click on the People tab, you'll be presented with a contact filter page. This is where the magic happens. You'll see various fields that you can fill in to narrow down your search based on your specific lead criteria. These might include job titles, locations, industries, company size, and more. Take your time to fill in each field that's relevant to the type of leads you're targeting. As you set your criteria, Apollo will start generating a list of leads that match what you're looking for. This real-time filtering makes it easy to refine your search until you find exactly who you need. After you've set your criteria, a list of matching leads will appear on your screen. Now you have a few options for how to proceed. You can access these leads individually by clicking on each one to view their details, including their email address or mobile number. Alternatively, if you want to work with multiple leads at once, look at the selection bar at the top of the list. Click on the header checkbox to select all the leads that are currently displayed. Then you'll need to set the number of leads you wish to purchase or work with. Once you've decided on the number, click on Apply. When you click Apply, a topside menu will appear, giving you several options for what to do with your selected leads. You can save these leads for later, send them an email directly, add them to an existing sequence for automated outreach, or create a new list that contains all these leads for organized management. Additionally, you have the option to export these leads as a CSV file, which is perfect if you want to import them into another system or work with them in a spreadsheet. And there you have it. You've successfully found and accessed leads in Apollo.io using targeted search criteria. This process allows you to build a highly focused list of potential contacts that align with your business goals. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.